I've been trolling plenty of times with friends on their boats using their gear, but I wanted something for myself. And so I looked online and found that Clarkspoon makes these kits that comes with all the essential gear you need in order to get started. No longer did I have to think about buying the individual pieces because it came with everything you needed in one single kit. As you can see, you get your downplaner, your spoon along with your leader line and your swivels in order to set up your lines, to get your lines in the water and start trolling for a number of different type of fish that you can catch. Here in North Carolina, you can get bluefish, Spanish mackerel, king mackerel, as well as other bigger game fish if you're lucky, depending on the time of the year that you might be fishing. But again, for something that I thought was very intimidating, which is why I'd never done it before, Clarkspoon makes it super easy with providing you with a kit that has all the gear you need in order to set up your lines to start trolling very easily. And they give you instructions so that it walks you through all the essential information so that you will have a successful time catching fish while trolling. Again, the cool thing with this is it's a kit that comes with all the pieces you need to get started, and you don't have to worry about piecing it together and forgetting things, especially when you're out in the water. Clarkspoon is going to have it all together for you as one package so that all you have to do is just get it on your line and get the line in the water and start catching fish.